Today we will learn about a plagiarism checker tool by SmallSeoTools.com. So let's get started. Type SmallSeoTools.com in your browser and this is the interface you will get. We can see a complete set of tools provided by them such as article, rewriter, grammar check, word counter and many more. So as we are focusing on plagiarism tool, let's click on it. This is a text area where you can copy the content you want and you can paste it here for detecting plagiarism. You can also upload documents if you don't want to paste your content. The document should be of any of these formats. Also, you can upload your documents from Dropbox and Google Drive too. The total number of words in your document will be displayed right here. Note, you can only upload up to 1000 words per search. So, you have to limit your words on each search up to 1000. Also, we have options to check plagiarism via web page URL and can also exclude a specific URL. After uploading or pasting content, click on this Check Plagiarism button for detecting plagiarism. So, let's paste a content here for checking plagiarism. Then, click on Check Plagiarism button and wait for a few seconds. You can see the results here. You can see the percentage of plagiarized contents and also unique contents in your document. So, here the uploaded document has 40% plagiarism and 60% unique contents. You can analyze your results in three options: sentence-wise results, matched sources and document view. Sentence-wise results will display the sentence as either plagiarized or unique. So, this will make you to easily detect which of your sentences are plagiarized or non-plagiarized. You can see a compare option here. So, let's click on it. Here you can see various search results based on that particular sentence. This option will enable you to compare your sentence with each of these search results. The results of that particular sentence is highlighted in bold letters. Next is matched sources. So let's click on it. As the name indicates, matched sources options indicates a list of sources that matches with your own content, and also it will show the percentage of similarity between the sources and your content. The last one is document view. Here you can see your uploaded document with a view of having plagiarized and unique sentences separately highlighted. So, this also will enable you to easily view your plagiarized contents. You have options to rewrite or rephrase your contents. You can rewrite it and recheck it using these buttons. Another important feature of this tool is we can share our plagiarism scanning reports or download the reports if we want. So, let's go through it. Click on Share Report. Here you can see a detailed report of your document including the date, number of words, number of characters, plagiarism percentage, uniqueness percentage, number of plagiarized and unique sentences. You can see the matched source and document we have discussed earlier here. So, when you click on the share button, you will get a link. You can copy it to the clipboard so that you can access your report further using this link. Another option is download report option. So, let's click on it and the report will be downloaded. This is the downloaded PDF report. Here also, you can see date, number of words, number of characters, plagiarism percentage, uniqueness percentage, number of plagiarized and unique sentences, matched sources, and document view. So, whenever you are writing an article for your blog, make sure you are checking if the content is fresh using this tool. If it is not fresh, make sure you are rewriting it and rechecking it again until you achieve the 100% unique content score. Thanks for watching.